So hopefully we're going to have some luck with these Buddhas this time. Tippler's looking okay. That one's going to come up blue. One's going to come up. Alright. Is that? Thought it was grizzle, but hang on. Is that grizzle? I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like a grizzle. I think it's silver, is it? No, this would see. That's definitely blue. So it looks like that pair's finally picked an area where they're gonna lay some eggs. So I want these ones to lay eggs as well. She had an egg, but it was a dud. Still waiting on that pair as well. So this will be the next new pair. She's about over a year old, and the boy is under a year. See how they go.